Good afternoon, students. Today we will start exercise 6.1. Question first. AB and CD, two lines are parallel given, and CD and EF are parallel. AB, CD are parallel, CD, EF are parallel. It means AB, CD, EF, all three are parallel, right? Because we have done one theorem. If two lines are parallel and second line is parallel to the third one, then all three lines are parallel to each other. That theorem we have done, है ना? So these three lines are parallel to each other. Now we will start the proof. ठीक है? What is given to us? AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. It means AB parallel to CD parallel to EF. All three are parallel, right? Y and Z ratio is given 3:7. We will take Y equal to 3A and Z equal to 7A, right? Now look, AB and CD are parallel, so X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. X plus Y equal to 180 degree. AB parallel to CD given 180 degree because of co-interior angles. Co-interior angle means angle sum on the same side is supplementary, means this is 180 degree, right? And X and Z, देखो AB and EF are also parallel. So X equal to Z because of alternate interior angles are equal. Right? X and Z are equal. So suppose this is equation 1. Put in the place of X Z in equation 1. So it will become Z plus Y is equal to 180 degree. है ना? In the place of X we will put Z. This is equation 2. Now Z value is 7A and Y value is 3A. We will put here in the place of Z 7A plus in the place of Y 3A we will put total equal to 180. 10A equal to 180. A value is equal to 18. 180 by 10 it will 18. Right? A value came 18. So Y value equal to Y is equal to 18 multiply A value we will put here, then it will become 54 and Z is equal to 7. A value we will put here, 7, 18 sevens are 126. These are the values of X and Y, right? And X and Z are equal. We have already proved. So X value is also equal to 126 degree. So X equal to 126 degree. So X value came, that is 126 degree. Y value is 54 degree. Z value is 126 degree, right? So this only we have to find the value of X. Again I am telling, two AB and CD are parallel, CD and EF are parallel. So all three are parallel to each other because we have done one theorem. If two lines are parallel to each other, then and other one is parallel to the third one, then all three lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F all are parallel. X and Y ratio is given, that is 3:7. So we will take in the place of Y 3A and in the place of Z 7A, right? And look at there, these two lines are parallel. So in the place of X we will put in the place of X we will put X plus Y equal to 180 because these two lines are parallel to each other. Co-interior angle will be there. So in the place of X and Z are also equal. Alternate interior angle. So in the place of X we will put Z. So Z plus Y is equal to 180 will become Z is equal to 7A and Y is equal to 3A given. So that we are putting here and that is equal to 180 degree. So 10A equal to 180 degree. A value is equal to 180 by 10. 18 degree came, right? Now put this a value is here, then y value will become 54, 18 3s are 54, and z value is equal to 18 7s are 126. Y and z value came, x and z are equal, we have proved because alternate interior angles are equal, है ना. So x value is also 126 degree. This we have to prove only. So I hope this question understand to all. Next, if AB and CD are parallel, AB and CD, these two lines are parallel given, and EF perpendicular to CD, this EF is perpendicular to CD given, and angle GED, this full is 126 degree given, right? Find angle AGE, this angle we have to find, and GF, this angle we have to find, and FGE, this angle we have to find. This and this, these three angles we have to find. So first we will start solution. AB and CD are parallel, right? This full is 126 degree, it means AB and CD are parallel. So angle AGE is equal to angle GED, that is given. Why? Two lines are parallel, one transversal is there, so this angle and this angle is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal, right? So GED is equal to 126 degree given, so AGE is also equal to 126 degree, right? This came AGE 126 degree, means one angle came, that is 126 degree, right? Now we have to find this angle and this angle also, right? So this AGE plus FGE is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair, right? So angle AGE plus angle FGE is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair, right? So AGE is 126 degree, angle FGE is equal to 180 degree. Angle FGE is equal to 180 minus 126, that is 54 degree angle, right? So FG came 54 degree, right? This also came FG 54 degree. This is 126 degree, right? Now we have to find this only. This ref to FEG, right? Yeah, FGE we have already find FGE. We need GEF. This angle we have to find. Look, this FGED is given 126 degree. How we will write GED angle? GEF plus FED, right? GEF plus angle FED is equal to 126 degree, right? And FED is 90 degree. This is 90 given. So angle GEF plus 90 is equal to 126 degree. Angle GEF is equal to 126 minus 90, that is 36 degree. So angle GEF, that is equal to 36 degree. I hope this question understand to all. So thank you very much. Next, today we will start rest of the questions, 3rd, 4th and 5th. We will complete these questions. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope these two questions understand to all of the students. So thank you very much for watching.